need your carpets cleaned, call us for a free estimate today.
Show you how wet everything is. It's beyond 14%, which is normal moisture content in Washington State. This is off the charts like a water damage. So this is a pre-existing condition. Customer has agreed to allow us to clean. Releasing and holding is harmless. Signing off. We are not liable for this. We are only coming in to try to improve an already damaged situation. The damage has already been done. Okay, look at all this browning. Someone had already, what company cleaned this?
The pen.
It's soaking wet. Look at this, everywhere it's like soaking wet. The baseboards are swelling. Look at them. Look, everything is wet. Oh my, oh no. No. Everything is wet. And that smell you're smelling is like mildew. Now, a lot of the yucky colors, I can make it look good, but what you're gonna have to do is hire a company to dry this out. Just wait. Oh my. Oh my.
Take it easy.
Can I let some fresh air in?
Yeah.
Because every whole house smells like mildew. Allergies. I don't want to get an asthma attack. Even in the clean areas, there's a hole right there. But even in the clean areas, see, the reason why the spots are all coming olefin.
My what?
What this carpet is made out of is not nylon. It's not wool. It's not cotton. Yes, it's olefin.
Oh.
So, olefin is a hydrophobic yarn. What does that mean? That means it pushes water away from it. Nylon, which they use for parachutes, it absorbs it, which is good because that way you can penetrate the yarn with your cleaning solutions and suck it right back out. We'll just roll. Okay, this one's good. That one's good. There. This was cleaned on Friday. They didn't clean your stairs. No, it's not beeping at all.
I wanted to, and I said no.
Look
This
at-
is what time. We're wasting my time. We're not doing nothing with this old machine. I can leave. But he was here for 6 good hours.
No way. Can you hold this for me? Master bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Look. Number 3. It's beautiful. Here's the difference. Before, after. The best we can do. Big difference from what it was before.
Because I have to come here when it's dry too. I'll just take my boot off.
Today, I had Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaning come out to clean one of my listings. They did a fantastic job, and I refer them to anybody that I know.
I thought the carpet repair was somewhere up there. This isn't it.
With Homes with V.
If you're a realtor or property manager, give us a call. We have the best referral programs.
If you need your carpets cleaned, you need to call Chubby Chubby.